we live in a world which, is so hybrid because of the increased travel. It's very easy to take a flight and go to any part of the world in a matter of less than 24 hours. So you can sit in the airplane and then go to completely new, exotic, different culture, native culture. I can display my American identity at particular moments. Depending on the interaction, I negotiate and choose to make one type of my identity salient in one situation than in other situation. So that's what is a good thing about identity, that we could display, we could portray one aspect at one time and then kind of switch that off and then put that another aspect of our identity alive. Super diversity or hybridity or whatever you want to call it is happening all the time. We are moving into a hybrid world.